What's good, guys? It's Mashlaba. Welcome to my channel. Let's go and change the transmission fluid of this 4Runner. So it's a 2014 4Runner with a 6-cylinder engine. So let's get it started. I'm a car mechanic in Afghanistan, and if you wanna learn more, so subscribe to my channel. Look at the off-roading shields under the car. I love 4Runner because it's off-road, it's on-road, it's sport. I love it. So we have two drain plugs. One is only for taking a sample from the fluid, and two is for draining all the fluid from the gearbox pan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the two plug. So after all the fluid drains, close the plug again. After you fully tighten the nut, now it's time to add the new fluid into the oil pump. So be careful, guys, you have to choose the right fluid for your car. Like this 4Runner is suggested WS transmission fluid, so don't choose it wrong. Beside the gearbox of this car is a hole which you can pump the new fluid into the gearbox pan by that hole. So this black pipe exactly goes through the hole, and we're gonna pump the new fluid into the gearbox pan. So after we pump all the fluid into the gearbox pan, so we are done, guys. You can see this guy in front of me which is pumping. The oil pump is my teacher. In Afghani we call it like Khalifa. So we are pumping all the fluid through the gearbox pan. Whenever it's finished, we are done, guys. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ciao.